A trigonometric identity is an equality that holds for every angle in its stated domain. Checking one angle is evidence, but not a proof. The source of all three identities is Pythagoras: adjacent squared plus opposite squared equals hypotenuse squared. Divide every term, not just one side, by AC squared. The two fractions become cosine squared and sine squared, while the right side becomes 1. Dividing by adjacent squared turns the opposite adjacent ratio into tangent and the hypotenuse adjacent ratio into secant. Dividing by opposite squared produces cotangent squared plus 1 equals cosecant squared. The first identity includes both endpoints. The tangent secant identity excludes 90 degrees, while the cotangent cosecant identity excludes 0 degrees. With tangent 1 over root 3, the tangent identity gives secant squared 4/3. Acute angle positivity selects positive secant, whose reciprocal gives cosine root 3 over 2. The sine-cosine identity now gives sine squared 1/4. Because A is acute, sine is positive 1/2, and cosecant is 2. For an acute angle, cosine is the positive square root of 1 minus sine squared. Substitution then writes tangent and secant entirely in terms of sine. Use an identity or a scaled triangle to evaluate both expressions exactly. The legs 7k and 8k give hypotenuse root 113k. The product is 1 minus sine squared, equal to cosine squared, or 49 over 113. Cotangent squared is 49 over 64. Begin with Pythagoras. Divide all three terms by one side square, translate the fractions into ratios, and state where every ratio is defined.